The changes that are happening this summer are incredibly exciting. They're a result of the master plan, which was established about 4 or 5 years ago in regards to what was needed to make the campus as competitive and as relevant for girls today. And this is a phased approach where we are making changes that will really move the school forward. The Student Commons is really going to revolutionize how Westover girls use the campus. It's going to get the girls out of the dorm rooms and into a space that is going to allow them to do group study, to hang out, socialize, and really be part of the community that is so important to Westover. This summer we're making great changes in the dormitories that are really going to enhance how Westover girls live. I mean, who doesn't like a great shower? And we're redoing all the bathrooms in all the dorms so they'll be consistent, clean, great lighting, great showers, all brand new. This is really going to make Westover's experience great. The Master Planning Committee and the school has really put a lot of attention towards the look and the function of Chapel Circle. It was really a sort of neglected area where we've had some overgrown landscaping, and we've really improved the look by adding new pathways, new plantings, as well as new paving. When people return to campus this year and they see the improvements that have been made in the dorms, in Chapel Circle, and in particular the Student Commons and the terrace above the dining room, I think they're going to be shocked. We have really uncovered a hidden gem and really used our campus as creatively as possible. Who would have known that the old gym and student center had these unbelievably high ceilings with gorgeous wooden trusses? We've exposed the size of that room, which in comparison is similar to Red Hall. We've created a terrace above a otherwise flat roof above a dining room where you can sit outside and look over the campus. It's really going to revolutionize that space. We all know that Westover has a beautiful and interesting campus that we've had for years, and we are only improving what we have today and making it relevant for girls going forward. The Master Planning Committee is responsible for making changes to the campus to keep us strategically relevant and to create a holistic environment for girls to learn and commune and live on a day-to-day basis.